Hello and welcome to this episode of Packet Tracer. In this episode, we want to talk about using the desktop tab. So not all devices have that desktop tab. Let's go to the router. As you can see, we don't have a desktop tab in our router, but let's go to the PC and we do have a desktop tab. Here in the IP configuration, we can change the IP configuration of this device. As you can see, I have some IP configurations already. I can change it to DHCP, or I can set up some static IP addresses on my own. 192.168.2.5 with a default subnet mask, and if I copy this to the default gateway and change this to the one, that is my default gateway. Now let's close this. Now the settings is saved. When I close it, you can see that we have other apps in here as well. We have the dial app. If we want to set up a modem network, then the dial app tab will be useful for us. We have a terminal so that if we want to access a device, a router or a switch using the SSH or Telnet applications, then terminal will be very useful for us. We have the command prompt. Maybe we can use the command prompt to show the IP config of this device. As you can see, the command prompt works the same as if it was on a real computer, although not all commands are available in Packet Tracer. We also have a web browser. If we want to browse HTTP web pages on a server, then we can use the web browser. And we do have a lot of other applications that we will go through them later on in this course. Now let's close this and go to the server. The server also has this desktop tab. As you can see, not all of the applications that was available on the PC is available on the server. But the one thing that's more specific to the server is this AAA accounting. This is only available to the server and not available on desktop. And that's it for this episode, everyone. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the next episodes. Stay tuned.